So we're here today at the river in Ochi. We're gonna do some crayfish hunting. We're gonna put some crayfish soup. We're gonna make some fire. We're gonna stay over tonight. So we're gonna set up camp and we're gonna set some crayfish pots. So it's gonna be fun. Make sure you stick around for that. And
oh yeah.
Filofi Adventures here. This is what we have here today, guys. John over here, and we have Will over here. Yeah, Will, Leo, and Cheng again. Remember the last time we cooked up some really nice pots, so we're gonna be here doing some really cool cooking up today, guys. All right, we're here with Sail on Tour.
Let's go.
And he does some amazing YouTube videos, so please go and check that out.
Thank you.
Some
I
very
appreciate the praise.
adventurous stuff. We have Craig here again today. Did you fix the spare that?
Last time you broke. Don't touch it. So I remade it. See, it's not broken. And I made an extra one just in case you break it. I got a steel one in case you broke the toilet.
Guys, so we eating. So here we have pepper sauce and plum. Cheng made the pepper sauce. It's nice, right? Ooh. Guys, this is what we have here to start with. Full coconut, plum, sweet sop, breadfruit, star apple. You know, it's a long time I haven't had star apple. Breadfruit, yam. We can head into the water right now, and then after we do the setting up, so we just do some quick crayfish hunting part 1 because it's more than one time going in.
Remember you can twist it here?
Ooh,
Yeah.
fancy. Homemade spear. Yeah?
You can put on one.
Leo made. And believe it or not, I catch my first fish in the water. Remember that day?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright guys, headed in. To one of there. One shrimp so far.
So
2,000 to go.
three. It's a 4 now. 4.
4. Oh, 4 so far, guys. All right, cool. Course is so short, guys. My first little one. Wheel. Today we feast.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
This is a trap that they set in. It's coconut and chicken skin. So we're gonna set this out there for a few hours and hopefully.
Yeah.
I'm too fat, I sink. My butt
Hard,
touches the
so.
bottom. Just. Okay, be more flamboyant. Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna set the trap.
What first one, my sister?
Yo.
Yeah, that's a small though.
Guys, I'm gonna like find it, but that was a huge one. Good save, you got him.
Yo, that's
Craig, don't the light. You don't need light though.
Got him, you. Your catch, my catch. Here, put him in your bag. Huh?
Are you get that? Huh? Oh!
No! It's the same one. Big? It big?
What if it's small?
Cool, dude. You're very trouble. It's him, but I think him right off. I'm not sure.
Try again. Level that. In the night, the bigger one can come out.
right through the face.
Huh?
Yes, okay. Oh, that was a good one too. That's the one I was looking for.
Oh yeah. But I'm gonna have to put on my suit because it is too cold. Yeah, if you see the footage, it's like all shaky and stuff. That's just me being super cold. Yeah, put it in your crayfish bag. Alright, so I'm gonna put on our wetsuit and head back. This one.
That's a big one. That's a big one. Stay on the head.
Oh! 2,000 more to go. Get over here. It looks so much bigger under the water, but I guess not.
I'm a messy boy regardless.
And the others still in the water. So when everybody come out to show you what's going on.
So this is how you clean it. Mega tail.
This one.
Pop. Twist. Twist. Pull out.
Wow, meticulous.
That's the easiest way I've ever seen it done.
This is the best part here.
Yeah. So, do I twist this first?
No, you pop it forward.
Pop it back, like that.
Yeah, pop it back. All the way back.
All right. All right. So you said pull this tail, pull this tail. What did you say again? Oh, so I don't even have to hold the thing. This is fancy.
Yeah. Here, you can do some more.
No, this was only for the camera. Here.
This is like a big shrimp.
The river usually full of these, but the invasive one
Eat them.
eating a bit smaller big ones.
This is one of our original native crayfish. So it's different from the invasive ones, but this one's so delicious. Let me tell you guys, Craig been in the water for the past 5 hours and he got these two. Cleaning up.
How much you catch?
2. But I've only been in the water half an hour.
Every time I try to catch them because I'm slow down. Them boat is too high.
What's that, Will?
Snail.
Oh. Oh, you're gonna eat it raw?
You're gonna eat it like?
Awesome. Tastes like chicken.
Fresh, right?
Tastes like chicken. No, I'm good.
Okay, we survived.
I'm good. I'm good.
You survive? After 1 second, you survive. All of these to put in the pot, make it nice and delicious. Cutting up some pumpkin. Chin holding the breadfruit with him hand as usual. No, mind your foot.
Wait a minute.
No. Will.
Fire. Don't play with the fire.
You get burned.
There's John over here peeling chocho. Intense focus. Let me show you the star apple. It's a very delicious fruit. It's not too stained here.
Season fruit.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the lobster.
Sophie!
Put them in there. That's the good stuff. Put a little bit of that river water in there too.
No, we're not.
Give it some flavor.
Whatever. But pretty good. So yes, I think this is what
Wonder which way to set the tent. Do I set it to the river or to this side? Setting up camp right now for the night while they are cooking down by the river. So there's a stream here and just gonna set up quick. Let it go off. Setting up this tent is too slow. I'm gonna use my magic trick.
Yes.
Ooh, French thyme in the pot. This is so good in soup.
How much, sir? Oh, dude, that's piping hot. Yeah. Which bowl? The one.
This is the Jono candies. Good stuff.
big soup, yes. Big soup.
Craig,
Go with it.
Leo.
Yeah, man. Nice.
Good to go. Willie gone in your bed already. Guys, I really wish you could have some right now. 5 stars.
I know. Yeah. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Alright. Whose catch was this? Yours, Leo?
Yeah.
One piece? One piece of your catch? Mm. Mm. Thank you for this meal. We just truly appreciate these things. More gratitude for these food even more.
My crayfish just fell.
Oh, are you watching it after eating? They're going back in the water tonight, and this is when they're gonna catch all the huge ones. I don't think I'm gonna go in the water this time with them, but I'll keep you posted on what they catch tonight.
Oh, I thought you were looking at that one.
I can't tell who that is. Yeah, they were far. The bag of the bed show over there. I saw a big one swim past a while ago. I tried to set the light on the gun.
Yes, guys. So the other's gone all the way around. In there, look cold. Even when you're wet, even in your wetsuit, you're shivering.
As cool as I thought it was, you know.
Oh. The gang is back. Yes, Craig. Redeem yourself.
Thank you, course, great side.
Yeah, man, and I laugh after me. You said me, nah, come back without nothing.
That's why you run gone 10 minutes before.
Yeah, Craig what I wanted before.
Nice catch.
Yeah.
You saw them catch? You sure don't know what gun?
Hey.
No, look what Craig catch.
Not bad, pretty not bad.
And right before, after Leo come out and catch a big one.
Yeah, I want to have eggs.
Yeah.
You never see it. Watch your hand now, you see the something grabbly on you, put your hand in the thing, Claire. Come, Leo, come. Squeeze the mine. You see that? Actually, see the finger. Rotted. Never seen that happening first.
And get out of it.
Yeah, man. Put that in a soup.
You know, say the little baby, actual baby, them hatch and is on the back of it.
No way.
Yeah.
No,
See them a move?
Cool. Scrape them off in the water.
Yeah, most of them are them invasive.
What she says at the school.
Is a lobster that?
No more what I'm on me. Beer bite no bite no in there.
I want to own them dead. I don't know how Craig own them still alive.
But him claws and come off, so I think I still have the biggest.
No. They own that one bigger than yours.
When
These are native, but this is a monster, man.
those ones are killing off the baby ones because this one's shell is very soft
Yeah, you can
and those are hard.
It is raining. It rained last night and we had to run and put on the covers. And we're just making some quick coffee. survived. Good morning. Why am I always tripping over things? When the rain stops a little, we're gonna head up and show you some of the view. The amount of crayfish that we got last night, crazy. So I'm not sure if they're gonna cook all of them. So I slept, and then the river behind here. The sound last night was so soothing. Alright, so guys, we're gonna have to leave a little earlier than expected because of some unexpected changes. So just gonna jump in and go for the trap that was set yesterday. If I remember where. Whoa! The water is warm and nice in the morning, and it's actually cold in the midday. Yeah guys, so these are the catch from last night that the guys picked up, and remember that we cooked some from in the day, and all of these are the invasive one, our native one here, the huge one. One, two, three.
One smile.
Okay.
In your vlog, you don't have a piece, something like that.
Here, recording.
How about you?
I'll make sure it was recording.